Hello everyone. Welcome to tutorial 6 of dynamic modeling of cities. In this exercise, we will be using the Grebel plugin and we'll be creating a random city block. This is a part B video. So to begin with, we need to go to the create panel, and over here from what we selected in the previous video, we need to change it to standard primitive. Over here we need to create a plane. Once after creating a plane, so you can see, as you can see, this is divided into a segment. So 1 2 3 4. So over here what we would do is we will create 20 by 10 segments. Click enter. So as you can see, there are like small boxes that I've created. So what we can do is we can simply increase the length and the width of this block by 220 by around 220, let's say. So over here you can see clearly the segments I've created. After creating the plane and the segments, so we will make it look like a city block. So we'll be adding a street. So for that we need to go to modify panel. We need to search for edit poly, and yep, over here we need to go to polygon selection and we can just select few poly. So for doing the same, what I'll do is I'll go to my plan view and I'll select the complete thing first, and I'll just deselect my streets section. Okay, firstly I need to select this thing, and yeah, so here we go. We can start deselecting our streets. We need to select alt, we need to press alt, and then after we can make some selections like this to represent street. Over here yep, so we have created the street pattern, whatever you like. Yep. After selecting the desired streets and pattern, you can simply search for Grebel in the modifier panel, and as you can see the voids are left without the Grebels representing the streets over here, and rest of this block has been created. So now after creating this block, I'll be turning off the widgets. So as you can see, this top surface has gone completely. Now we can experiment with the heights. So we can keep this as 10, and okay, so even the maximum height is 10 and the minimum height is 10, so we'll be increasing it to 20. So there will be some variations. So this represent 10, and this would be the lowest point would be 10, and the minimum highest point will be maximum 20. We would select tops, so it will just select the upper face, the top face of it, and we can add another Grebel. So firstly we will just rename this as Grebel 101, and later for this tops we'll be adding one more Grebel layer over here, and we can name it as rename as 2. So even as you can see, if we go to this selection now, we'll turn off the widgets once again, and we can set the desired heights and all. That's pretty much. So now we are going to add materials to the blocks, various blocks that we have created. So to do that, we will press M, which is a material editor, and then this I just experimented this thing. So I'll just start off once again. So in this you need to go to general, material general, and select multi sub objects. In this you need to just set three values, number 3, okay, and over here you need to assign one material. So you can click over here, you can click sorry, you can click once again over here, you can click once again over here in this zone. So now you need to assign the material, so you can just simply make some bright demarcation, okay, and over here we can make it blue, and third would be somewhere like yellow, okay. And now once you're done with this, so you have the material ID over here. So you need to go to Grebel. So in this Grebel you can assign the material ID 1 in the panel, widgets 2 and 1. Oops, doesn't work. Okay, so I need to assign this material over here. So now if you see, your block is ready with the material. So that's all about this tutorial video in which we saw Grebel modeling a city block, random city block using Grebel plugin and applying its material. Thank you for watching this video.